Are you looking for past papers, NCDC materials? You're looking for mocks, pre-mocks, UCE revision questions. You're looking for mathematics and physics practice. And you're looking for a community, a students forum, where you can come to engage with thousands of students to learn, to revise, and to excel together. Or maybe are you tired of going for examinations when you're not ready? Are you tired of reading your book from the first page to the last page, and you go for that paper and you come out when you're completely stressed? Well, I've got your back. I want to welcome you officially to Mastering Competence. My name is Patrick Oliver, and today I want to share with you about this channel, what we are going to be doing on this channel, and what it's all about. And I want to tell you, when I bring up the concept of academic success and excellence, listen to me very carefully. When it comes to academic success and excellence, it is guaranteed and restricted to only students and learners who want to improve their grades, those who have seen that they want to elevate their grades to another level, or maybe perhaps they are searching for the outstanding, that A+, and they are willing to take an initiative to work for it. And on this channel, I want to share with you a lot of resources, a lot of new curriculum materials that I managed to compile from my research via the internet and from different schools and teachers that I was collaborating with via the holidays. I don't want to keep this to myself, because the reality is it feels good when we pass together as a whole. On this channel here, what we are going to be basically doing is we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss. However, this channel is only for students who are ready to take an initiative and are ready to work hard to improve on their grades. To be honest with you guys, if you are waiting for good grades, for good results, for angels to bring the results for you, well wrapped in a golden basket, and then they put it there in front of you, trust me, it's not going to happen, because you have to work for it. And this channel is going to be one of your getaways. So on this channel of Mastering Competence, I've created it, I've designed it so that it can help learners of the new curriculum. And on this channel, what we are basically going to be doing is that we are going to discuss all these papers here, the items, the scenario questions, the new curriculum, how to approach it. There is a myth going on that the new curriculum is hard. Of course, the reality is it might be hard to some extent, only for those who are not working hard. The curriculum will become hard if you're not working hard. But if you work hard, trust me, your success is guaranteed. Excellence is assured. So we have to work hard for it. And now on this channel here, as you can see on your screen, I'm just going to display for you the resources that I've managed to gather. And if we are to go through all these resources, if we are to revise and discuss all these questions in all these various subjects, I can assure you guys one thing, that your excellence in UCE is guaranteed. Trust me, you're going to hit that A+, you're going to get that outstanding without doubt. That is one thing I'm very sure of. So with me here, I'm having scenario questions. I gathered them from very different teachers that I was collaborating with via the holidays, and also some websites where I was searching from. So as you can see here, let me scroll a little bit slowly so that you can read the titles, and then you know that this thing is actually serious. So on your screen here on the left hand side are resources. These are questions, scenario items, mocks, papers, a lot of things. We are going to do a lot, and trust me, if you stick to this channel, you are going to excel in the new curriculum. These are not the only papers. Some of you may be like, these papers are very few, but trust me, my dear, they are not. This is just like a fraction of what we have. So apart from what I'm showing you right now on the screen, I want to show you other resources that I have on the PC. Having a lot of examination papers. Let me display them for you. Just take a look for yourself. And on this channel, we are going to be discussing all these papers. We shall go through all the items in these papers, and it is not only for senior 4. I have items, I have resources from senior 1 until senior 4. So this channel is going to benefit each and every student of the new curriculum. And if you're to stick to this channel, I can assure you, my dear, your success, your excellence in the new curriculum is guaranteed. We have to work hard for it. Nobody is going to help you excel in the new curriculum if you cannot pull up your socks and work for it. And one thing I'm very sure of is that there are a lot of eyes on us. A lot of people are depending on us this year, because last year's candidates were acting as the laboratory. We are just experimenting the curriculum on them. But as far as we are concerned, there is a lot which is expected from us. And then apart from this, I'm also having other resources on the phone. Trust me, my friends, we have a lot that we are going to discuss on this channel. So on the phone, as you can see, displayed here on your left hand side, I'm also having these resources here, and they are very many. So we are going to go through all these items, and I want to assure you one thing, that all the examinations that you're going to do, there is no way you're going to go for a paper when the question is not similar to this one here, especially for the senior 4 candidates. Those of you who are going to do the pre-mocks, the pre-registration exams, where do you think those questions are going to come from? They're literally just going to pick up a paper from one of what we are going to discuss, and then they'll alter some few words, and then they bring it to you. So what I want us to do is that when you come to this channel, come when you're serious, come when you're ready to learn, come when you're ready to excel. Trust me, this channel is only for those who have realized they want to elevate their grades. So on this channel, I'll be discussing with you guys. All I need from you is to do one thing. Please subscribe to the channel, because when you subscribe to the channel, you're going to help me to reach out as many students as possible. I don't want to keep this to myself. I want to share it with all of you. Let us be able to excel together. And I also want to tell you guys that I'm an author. By God's grace, I managed to create a new curriculum book. It's called Mastering Competence, the ultimate booklet for the new curriculum, specifically for O-level biology and chemistry, though I'm still working on the one of mathematics and physics. I want to share with you only one message that I usually tell all people that I discuss with, that we all face challenges, especially in our academics. Some days it feels like you're stuck, you're not making any progress, but remember this, my friends, each step you take, no matter how small it is, it's a step towards your goal. Learning is a journey, not a race. You don't have to be the fastest, but just the most consistent. When I talk about consistency, what I mean is that you are willing to practice, you are willing to revise consistently without giving up. One thing I've realized about students is that you can become determined to do something, but then along the way, laziness engulfs you, and laziness in academics is one of our greatest enemy. There is this formula that I usually carry along with me. The formula is determination plus hard work minus laziness equals success. I'm very sure that most of you guys maybe you've already heard about this proverb. So if you're determined to excel in your academics and you're willing to work hard for it, laziness is the only obstacle. So once you eradicate away the laziness, there is nothing else which can stop you from achieving your goals as far as academics are concerned. So on this channel here, we shall discuss all these papers here which are displayed on the screen. All these scenarios here are for us to share. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, because it will really help to promote the channel and help us to grow. Like the videos, comment, ask questions where you don't understand. Trust me, if you stick to this channel, we are going to excel together. Excellence is guaranteed for each and everybody. You just have to work for it. Nobody is actually dumb. Guys will tell you you're dumb, you will think you're dumb, but the reality is when you work hard, you can easily alter your grades. So on this channel here, I want to rekindle all your hopes. I want to tell you guys that excellence in UCE is possible. We shall get the A+. But remember, I want to tell you one thing, that when it comes to academics, you know, sometimes we tend to over depend on our human wisdom. I'm a Christian, I'm a born again, and I'm telling you this: never trust in your own wisdom. Lean not on your own understanding, but always trust in God. When you put God first, and when you accept that you don't know anything, you need God's help, trust me, God is going to help you and you're going to excel. Because I always move with God, and I love to tell myself I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. So as long as you have God by your side and you work hard, you be determined, you work hard, and you subtract away that demon, that monster called laziness, I can assure you we are gonna excel in the new curriculum. We shall get A+, we shall get the outstanding, and all our families, our schools, our friends, our colleagues who are looking out to us, they will also be encouraged and they will be very happy, obviously. So that is what we are basically going to do on this channel. Thank you so much for listening to me. Please take an initiative to always check on this channel of Mastering Competence. Like the videos, guys, like the videos, comment. We need to have an engaging discussion. I told you earlier, I'm not a teacher, I'm just a discussant who's passionate about sharing what I've discovered with other students. So please, when you subscribe to my channel, you will have access to each and every video that I release. If you don't subscribe, every new video and discussion that I post, you're going to miss it out. And I can guarantee you don't want to miss out our discussions, because they are going to teach us a lot. So you have to subscribe to the channel so that every time I post a new video, you will get notified. And also endeavor to like the videos, share with your friends. Let us not be selfish. You know, we have other friends in other schools, we have our brothers and sisters who also need this content. So please share the videos with them, and try to communicate. Communicate with other friends out there. Comment, ask your questions, give your opinion, so that I may be able to improve on the content. As a learner, as a fellow student like you, I may make human errors somewhere, because it's not guaranteed that for me I'm as perfect as Jesus, or maybe I'm a professional teacher. I'm also just a student who's passionate, and I want to share with you these resources. So where I make a mistake, I expect you guys to drop there in the comment, hey, you're supposed to do this like this. Let us have an engaging discussion, and we shall excel together. Thank you so much. May God bless you. So right now what I'm finally going to do is that I'm just going to walk you through some papers here that I'm having, so that you can see some of the items in them, and you will know that I'm serious about this thing that I'm talking about. So just take a look at the channels, the papers that I'm displaying here. I'm not going to show you all of them, just a few. We shall discuss all of this. So the papers here are very many. Apart from these ones, I told you, I also have screenshots of other papers that I get from TikTok and other sites, and they are here on the bottom right corner. I don't know if you can see them very well. These ones are also papers, examination items, and all this here are for us to discuss and excel together. So that is it. Thank you so much.